Today, we are making a classic Japanese dish, Agedashi Eggplant. The key to this dish is simple. Eggplant absorbs umami. As it cooks, it becomes soft, allowing the dashi to penetrate deeply. We'll use a fundamental Japanese ratio for the sauce. 4 to 1 to 1. Dashi, mirin, soy sauce. This creates a perfectly balanced umami base. 1. Prepare the eggplant. Remove the stem and cut lengthwise in half. Scrub the skin lightly. Cut into 2-inch 5-centimeter pieces. 2. Fry. Heat oil to 340 to 355 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and tender. Transfer to a strainer. Pour hot water over and drain. This removes excess oil and keeps the flavor clean. 3. Make the dashi sauce. Combine water, mirin, and soy sauce. Bring to a gentle boil. Add the hanakatsuo, turn on the heat and let it steam. Drain once the flakes sink. Finish. Place the eggplant in a container. Pour over the warm dashi sauce. Let rest for about 30 minutes. This dish works because umami is absorbed, not just added. The eggplant carries the dashi into every bite, and just before serving, tops with Katsuobushi. This final layer adds aroma and completes the umami structure.
いただきます。
Served warm or slightly chilled. Each bite delivers soft texture and deep, layered umami. I hope you will give this a try and let me know in the comments how you like it. Have a flavorful day.